for me to be here today with all of you and to be tasked with presenting the 2016 ZLHR Human Rights Lawyers of the Year Awards. Now, I'm sure that this must have been a very difficult decision on who to nominate, to find the right candidates, because we all know that all lawyers that are working for Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights have shown great courage, have shown great commitment in 2016. They have gone out of their way, working very long hours under immense pressure. And so to pick two in this instance, one from the southern region and one from the northern region, must have been very difficult. I feel that Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights are in a bit of a special position, because even when they lose their court case, they still always win. Because with whatever you do, you are always standing up for someone's human rights. And I think that is winning in itself. And you know, I'm standing here as a diplomat with all the privileges that come with that position. I probably will never know the inside of the prisons in Zimbabwe, but you do, and you are out there in the front lines. And I think, you know, you should applaud yourself for all the work that you do. Yet every year, Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights picks two of the ones among them that have stood out even among this very courageous group. And it is my honor to announce those names today. The first nominee is from the southern region, and he has been involved in both litigation, which is of course the #1 area for the Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights, but also in community outreach. He has taken part in various mobile legal clinics, going out into specifically the rural areas and answering legal questions from the community. And we've had a lot of feedback about those mobile clinics, and we hear that they really fulfill a very important task, that people really feel empowered once they have been to these clinics and have their questions answered. This lawyer has also been involved with the communities, delivering papers on the right to education, the right to water, the right to health, explaining to people what their rights are. But citizens who got in trouble after the protests in July, and also people who chose to wear their graduation gowns to go to a cricket match, and for that reason were arrested. I'm sure that the person whose name I have on this list already knows, because he knows that he has been involved in all of this. But those of you who haven't guessed yet, the name of the Human Rights Lawyer 2016 of the Southern Region is Lison Ncube. Because we also have a candidate from the northern region. Now, apart from all the courageous things that I have already mentioned that he has done, involving very long hours, working under immense pressure, he has specifically been representing the social movement leaders who have been arrested again and again and again at Harare Unity Square. He has also represented Harare residents who were arrested in connection with the protests that we have been seeing specifically since July of this year. The name of the Human Rights Lawyer 2016 for the Northern Region is Shava. Now, I know that the MC said that being a lawyer for Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights doesn't come with any benefits, but fortunately we have a little something for both of the winners. Doesn't matter? Oh, okay.
Spot nice. Good.